Welcome to Sierra Leone, a land that overflows with milk and honey. We are the solid pillars that stand against adversity. With every fall, we rise again, even higher than the majestic Bintumani mountain. Our landscape, adorned with gushing waterfalls, meandering rivers, stately mountains, and awesome beaches, reflects the splendor surrounding us. Embrace the cultural richness woven into our costumes. Witness the strength in our men and the beauty of our women. Though a nation of different cultures, ethnicities, and religions, we are united in diversity. With perseverance and pride, we stand tall and unbroken, proudly declaring we are Sierra Leoneans.